My secret for my house to stay with a good smell, like the house of a millionaire. I'm sure you'll thank me for this tip today. To start, we will use bay leaves, are ideal for this tip because it contains an intense aroma. Then we will also use salt. The ideal amount is needed to cover the bay leaves. Usually use up to 4 tablespoons, but may vary according to your container. We will also use cloves, being an ideal item for cleaning tips to contain a great aroma and already improving the smell of your home just using an amount of cloves in some corner. We should then add an additional amount of salt. Remembering that we should not worry about the amount of ingredients because this tip has a long duration and remains active for up to a month. To complete, we will also add concentrated fabric softener, being the main item to bring the aroma that your home needs and bringing the smell of a millionaire's home. The amount of use is your choice. Here I am using 2 caps, equivalent to 50 milliliters. Ideally, mix all the ingredients well now. And before I forget, tell me which city you are watching us to send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Cynthia Wairamu from Nairobi. I'm glad you are enjoying our tips. Once we mix well, we will add more cloves, now also in addition to aiding in the aroma, also for the decoration of our tip. I'm sure you will be impressed in addition to assist in the aroma of your home, also in the duration of this tip that is impressive. This tip you can put in every room of your house, even in the living room and bathrooms, will impress all your visitor. To finish, we will also add cinnamon. I'm using only 4 pieces. I'm sure you will be impressed with this tip and the aroma that will bring to your home, really the smell of a millionaire's house. The best of this tip is that I use even after cleaning at home and works perfectly with other cleaning products. Tell me later if you got the result you wanted with the use of this tip. Finally, with a lighter we can put fire at the tips of the cinnamon, in the same way I am doing, thus also helping to exhale the entire aroma of cinnamon with the other ingredients. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.